everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle, and today's video is an unboxing of the Love From Lizi kit. And this is the May kit, and it's actually kind of late. There were some issues with her getting in all the products early, and then my kit decided to take a tour of the whole United States before it actually arrived at my house. So I'm late getting this unboxing up, but I wanted to do it because it's really cute. I think people are really going to love this kit. I want you to see what it is. All right, so let me grab the kit, and then I do have a few like add-ons and stuff to show you as well. So this is the kit, and let me get out the paper because that will show you, if I can do this here, that will show you the theme. So Steamboat Willie. So for those of you who like Disney, you're gonna love this. And all of her kits have 12 6x6 papers. They are single-sided. There we go. So you get a mix of prints that go with the theme, and then of course like focus pages. So look at that, Mickey Mouse. And then these look like little postage stamps. And there is your Steamboat Willie. So a lot of really cute prints. You can do a lot with this. Really nice colors. There's another Steamboat Willie page. And there's another Mickey page. So there is also, I believe, 1 or 2 other 6x6 pads that you can purchase on top of the kit that will give you even more selection that will go with this. So that's super cute. And then there is, of course, the matching ephemera. And you always get a lot of ephemera in her kits. Let's check out a few here. We've got that all aboard. You got a lot of like little stars and things. There's the cow, the like nautical items. Now, if you got the kit from last month, you have a die for the anchor and the steering wheel of a ship that would look super cute with this. And look at that little Mickey in a postage stamp. That's very cute. So a lot of really nice items. So if you want to make an album, like you could totally do a mini album with this. Or you could, oh, and here's a big one. Or definitely you can do cards. But you've got a lot of the characters from the cartoon, which is really fun. Okay. And there's some nice chunky sizes. So look at that. That's a really great Mickey Mouse you could use for something. So you got the parrot, and then and this guy too. It was part of the cartoon. The kit also comes with, this is the stamp set. So this is a 4x6 stamp set, and you've got some images of Mickey, and then the same postage stamp theme and the little guy right there. And I believe this one right here, you could use the Bon Voyage or the All Aboard right here. Or if you had like a happy birthday stamp, you could totally do that. But I think that would probably fit. So you could make that work. And then the dies that you get, because every kit has dies of some sort. Right here, you're going to get the ticket stubs, and you've got the film strip. So really cute. Totally goes with the theme. We've got these cute little cork stickers that go with the nautical theme. And you always get like this goodie bag. And in the goodie bag, you have ribbon and braid that kind of has that nautical feel to it. And the ribbon, of course, matches the colors in the kit. Very Disney with the polka dots and little stripes. So those are really easy to use for cards. And then there are charms. So if you like to make a mini album and you want to do like a charm dangle or a journal, you've got these really cute charms. So there's anchors and sailboat in there, and they're metal. So really nice. I don't know, might not be able to see them too good with the glare. So let me pull those out. And you can see they're a nice size. So really cute. And then there's more. There are these really cute 3-dimensional pieces. Little tugboat, little lifesaver, and the clouds that you could use as well. And again, like on a mini album, that would be so cute. And those are plastic. The clouds actually are wood, I think, but their other pieces are plastic. So you get quite a few of those. And then you always get paper. Get that out. Oh, and we also have, this is kind of like a ribbon, but it basically, looks like a fishing net, but it is like iridescent. Has like a sparkle to it, so that would be really cute. And you also get, these are sticker pieces that are wood grain, so that kind of goes with your whole ship theme. And then you do get your strips. So Love From Lizi does these strips in a lot of different colors. And they're really a great way to put accents on your card. And then your cardstock. So we've got this really nice green. You always get an alcohol-friendly white. You've got the yellow. And these are nice and thick. That is the one sheet. Kind of like a burgundy color and then a black. So you did get all that. So that is the kit. So that's a lot. And then pull out here a couple of like add-on pieces that you could do. Is this sequin mix. So look at the colors in that. That's really pretty. All those blues and teals, which is great for a nautical theme. There is the peel-off sticker packs. So you have more colors in here that match your cardstock. And also, of course, the colors in the 6x6 paper pack. And then there is this one. This one has hearts, stars, and diamond shapes. And then these almost like a glitter ball strip here. You can see they're really prismatic and they're super shiny in real life. So you could definitely use those to decorate with as well. So those are add-on pieces. And another add-on, let me open this up, is your metallic cardstock, or specialty cardstock, I guess I should say, because it's mirrored is what it is, or glitter. So we've got that really pretty royal blue. We've got a nice silver glitter. There's a glossy black, a mirrored green, a mirrored silver, and a mirrored red. And so that is really pretty. Look, especially that glossy black would look great for your film die cut. That could be really fun. But there's lots of great things to do with that. And then finally, she always lets us pick some, items to get alongside our kit. And what I picked, and we don't always know what the kit is, so you just kind of pick what you kind of like to use or need from the collection. So I got these. They are, I believe they're called the stitched postage nested dies, something like that. But that just goes so well, and I didn't even know she had the postage theme in the kit. That just was like a coincidence. So I'm so excited to have these and to be able to use these to make cards. And then I just picked up a butterfly die because I don't have a butterfly die to go with her kits. It's black, so it might be kind of hard to see. But, she so far this year has had a few like florals and things that this would go great with. So I kind of just picked that up to have in my stash for future kits that I know it'll go great with. I'll definitely be using this die set to make cards, and of course ones that I already have. But that is the Steamboat Willie card kit that is available from Love From Lizi. It is currently available right now, and I believe you can do the subscription or do a one-off. She ships to multiple countries, so you can, you know, get it no matter where you're at. And there is already inspiration on her channel on how to make some different things, and then I will be doing some videos as well. I'll have definitely one on my channel and one on her channel coming up in the next 2 weeks. Those will be happening. So yeah, so super cute. Check it out. I will have a link down below that will take you to the Love From Lizi website, so you can check out what she has to offer, because she does more than just the kits. And thank you so much for spending some time with me, and thank you to all the new subscribers lately, and let me know what you think about the kit and if you get it. All right. Thank you, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.